Does it start? Did it start? Yes, it started. Okay, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be showing you how to play the B flat chord. Okay, now why to learn it from me is because like I'm teaching you a series of chords that fit together, that you can put together to make a song, right? And at the end of this series, I'll be showing you how to play a song with all the chords that I'm teaching you right now. Isn't that interesting? So as a beginner, this is a huge plus point, and it's a very famous song. So let's go right to it. Okay, now the B flat chord is very simple, but you got to be knowing how to learn it and how to play it and practice it every day so that you can play it, right? So just knowing chords is not enough. You got to know how to practice it. Now that's the key. This is the B flat chord. Okay, very simple to hold. Okay, now your fingering position is going to be here. First finger on this first string, over here, first fret. Okay, if you don't know what frets are, 1, 2, 3, 4, these are all frets. Okay, and I highly recommend you check out my other videos on F and the G minor that is part of this series of chords. Okay, so that you can play a song with me later on at the end of this series actually. So here we go. This is the B flat chord. Okay, so the first string. Now your second finger comes on the fourth string of the third fret. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, bring your third finger down below your second finger and play it on the third string. Below your third finger, you're going to be placing your fourth finger on the second string, and that is your B flat chord fingering position. Now you have to play it. Okay, so playing it, you're going to be playing it from with your plectrum, of course, from the fourth string. Okay, now this is a sweep that I've done so that you know that you've got all these strings sounding right. If it sounds like this and all, don't worry about it because it takes time to learn the chord. Okay, so I would say give it a time, 3 days, 4 days, and you will sound proper. Okay, so you don't have to play this 24 hours. Also, you can play it in breaks. Okay, so you could play in breaks like this. Okay, so what I'm going to be showing you is that how to practice this chord. Now my method of showing is that you practice this in bars. Okay, don't go to a bar and practice it. Bars in music means 4 counts. Okay, for example, it's a bar, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 1 bar. Okay, you play 2 bars, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that's 2 bars for you. Got it? You leave your fingers. You might see a bit of calluses over there. I mean, a deep thing, yeah, going into your fingers. Don't worry about that. This is for total beginners. If you have been practicing my F and G minor chord, I think you should be over it by now. Okay, so keep on practicing B flat now, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Fourth bar. 1, 2, 3, 4. Excellent. Okay. Now it doesn't mean that you've learned the chord just by watching this video. You've got to practice it for the next 3-4 days. Okay, and then I think you should be able to get this chord. Okay, determination, motivation, if you want to learn, is key. And what better way in this YouTube world, because like there's so much of, you can also learn it from other players as well, right? But if you come into my YouTube channel, I'll definitely show you my method of learning it quickly and the best way to learn it, right? So there has to be a method. Could not be the best way, an easy way, but there is a method to learn chords or anything for that matter. Okay, so you have to follow this day-to-day practice procedure, right? So let's do it one more time. Now what I would also like to tell you is that don't play the 6th string or the 5th string. Just play it from the 4th string. Okay, so you don't have to do this. You just play it from the 5th string and you will get that automatically. It will come as a habit to play it from the 4th string. You don't have to aim or anything else like that. The more you play, the more you'll find yourself improving week after week. Okay, so like basically guitar learning takes weeks, months. Okay, but you got to start somewhere, and when you start, but the next week you'll say like, hey, that was easy. Last time B flat chord, 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, third bar, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Right, so you got your B flat chord, B flat major chord. Okay, now I've told you that this fits in the family of chord in the key of F. So like all these chords put together, you can play a particular song, which I will show you at the end of all these chords that I'm showing you right now. So earlier the chord was F major. I'll put a link over here. So the F major chord, right, is something that is a bit tough. So if you're totally new to this channel, learn the F major chord as well. You can look at the link, play that. So after learning this B flat major chord, coming to it, play the F major chord. 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Yes, and it takes a lot of patience to show you guys this. For that reason, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the thumbs up and please pass a comment so that like I know what's happening, if you really like this video or not. If you don't, pass a comment as well. Okay, fine. G minor. This is a toughie if you are totally new to guitar playing. So again, watch my G minor link over your video. So let's go with G minor now. 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, third bar, 1 2 3 4, fourth bar, 1 2 3 4. And yes, I'm not playing the 6th string played from where your finger touches over here. So that's this one over here from the 5th string. Right, so don't play it from that string. Okay, you can play sometimes for other chords, but this particular chord you don't have to play it. Okay, that's a rule. Okay, and then again go to your B flat chord, play it for 4 counts, 4 bars, and end your practice like this for 1 session. Okay, so 1 session could be like 5 minutes, 10 minutes, depending upon you. Spread that 10 minutes over a couple of times in a day. Every time you pick up a guitar, that's your session. Okay, so play like this, stop, play the next day, keep going on for 4 days, and then you tell me like you've got this chord or not. You should get this chord if you're following my advice. Okay, B flat chord for the last time. YouTube world. Here we go. 1 2 3 4, and 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, and 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 stop. Okay, we've done today's session of learning the B flat major chord. Hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Hope you're enjoying your life wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Enjoy it. Today is a beautiful day, really nice bright day, and that's why I'm in a cheerful mood. And as well, I'm going to Panjim for some work. We're trying to form a certain band over there with some guys, friends, relatives, and it's going to be an exciting time for me. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, hit the thumbs up, comment, and I'll see you for the next video. I'm going to be showing you a new chord which is going to be helping you remember to play a full song. And you are a beginner, you will learn that full song, which is going to be really amazing. Everyone knows that song in the whole world. Alright, signing off. Bye bye. See you, Colin Dias from Goa in India.